going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today we're going to be helping prevent another yard from flooding by extending out their downspouts. So let's get right in. And here we go. On the front left side of their house, we're going to be running the downspouts from the front down here to the back because they already have a storm grate in the yard. We're going to have the pipe come straight down, come here, connect up 90 across, and go down the fence line all the way to right in front of this grate, so that way the water can just build up, go out, facilitate into the grate, and go down to the storm drains. And then here on the front right side of the house, we're going to be taking all of this from the back, going straight down, tying in with the sump pump, coming across, coming down, and then 90 out, go straight down, tee this into it, come out all the way under the sidewalk to a pop-up here at the curb, so the water can build up, facilitate out, and go to the north storm drain down the street. So let's get started. And now I have the left side of the house all dug out. As you can see, I had to go around here because I anticipate this is where they told me they were going to be putting the fence post, so got to have a spot for the post to go. So that's going to go there. Everything's going to come all the way down to this corner, all connect, and a little 90 over, come down and stop all the way right at the drainage grate. I'll be able to put the pop-up right there. It'll build up, pop up, facilitate over. There'll be a little bit of grass between it and the actual grate, so it'll drain on that, go out into the storm drain and out to the drainage ditches. So time to get the right side going. And here we go. Now I have the complete front right side all dug out. Everything's going down. As you can see, we are under the sidewalk. Now we're gonna have it, and this is even when people say, how can you make it go back when all the ground goes that way? Well, what the ground looks like doesn't matter. With the trench you dig, you make the grade. So we're going to have it start over there, come down. Sump pump's going to tie into it with a T. It's going to come around the corner, 90 over, come down. This is going to tie into it. It's going to come in, go all the way down here to the street to a pop up. So the water build up, pop up, facilitate over, and go down to the nearest storm drain. Now to pipe it all and show you how it works. And here we go. We have the left side of the house completely done and piped up. As you can see, we are extremely downhill from here. Goes all the way around, stay extremely downhill, pick up, still going downhill to level. Again, I had to leave that there so that way they can put the fence post in later on. We got this going all the way down. Everything is still downhill to level. All the way here to the corner. We got the sweeping T. Downspouts tied in. Everything down here. Still downhill to level. All the way to this corner, which comes down, and it is still downhill to level. All the way down here to the end, where we have the burrito wrap. And this is where the water will come up and facilitate out. As you can see, we're still completely downhill to level. Get as close as we can to the grate. Over here we have concrete. I cannot break into this to tie it directly into it. So you put it up as close as you possibly can. Now to do the right side and backfill this. And here we go. Here is the right side of the house. You can see we are starting out downhill to level. I had to actually stay lighter up here because we're already so deep in the back. And to get the grade going all the way, well, you have to go deeper. So we have the sump pump tied into it. Everything nice primer glued how it's supposed to be. Everything going downhill to level all the way over here where we actually have it going level. And then from this corner, we're also downhill to level. We have the downspout into it. As we go further down, we're even more downhill to level. Everything starts shooting straight downhill to go under the sidewalk. completely all the way downhill, all the way down here. It's where we're gonna have the pop-up. It's all burrito wrapped. Got the mini dry well holes drilled in the pipe. And now to backfill, show you how it all works. And here we go. Here's the right side of the house. Still gotta finish raking the dirt back, but besides that, put the downspout in the far back, put the hose in it, sump pumps tied into it, this downspout's tied into it, everything goes all the way out here to the street. As you can see, it's overflowing, popping up. Water comes out, facilitates out, goes over the curb, runs down, and then we'll go down the street, follow to the nearest storm drain. That is exactly how to prevent water from flooding your yard. Now, we'll do the left side. And here we go. Now we're doing the left side of the house. Put the hose in the downspout furthest away from where you want it to go. It goes all the way down behind the AC unit. Ties into this downspout, which 90 across, and it comes down, goes all the way around down here to the end. Now, just wait for it to pop up and overflow into the storm drain right next to it. And here we go. The water builds up, will overflow, come out into a little bit of grass, but there's also concrete right there, so then it goes right on top of it, goes straight into the storm drain, so it's not flooding the yard. So hopefully now it'll give the ability of all this to dry out. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one,